How to remove background noise from video. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily remove your background noise from your video using vid.io. So first just head over to your vid.io.com and you should land on this page. Now simply head over to this demo version since it's a free version, and once inside here just log in with your account and click on this product option over here and just click on start or editing. If you have your own existing video, you can just click on this edit button over here, and then once you land on your edit section of your particular video, so all you have to do is just come or select your particular video which you want to edit. So let me just show you that when you click on this video, you should get this option that is edit video. Under this section you should see the audio option. So just scroll down and under this magic tools option you should see the option that is clean audio. So it basically removes your background noise if you have any inside of your videos. So another thing what you can also do is you can basically cut out your audio from your video or just mute your video and simply re-record the video from yourself from over here. And other thing that is, you must need to understand this is the paid version as it requires a premium feature, so it's not completely for free. But if you have a premium feature, you can simply tap on this and just directly remove any audio background noise from your device, from your video. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.